Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find saved audio in Threads app. So first we just need to get through our app, and then I just want you to go through your profile below, tap on it, okay, and here I want you to go into these lines on the top right corner, tap on them, okay, and here we will have different options and sections. Follow and invite friends, notifications, no, so we'll go through saved. So tap on saved, and here you will find the posts and also the audios that you already saved. It's so easy and so simple to find them, and also how to save them. Okay, let's say an example. You can just go to that video and tap on these three points. Tap on them, and here you can tap on save. So once you tap on save, it will be right here on saved option. So if you use the same account that you use on Instagram and Threads, it will be saved also on Instagram, so you can check it later. Anyways, guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones. And thank you so much for watching.